is it?
Look! Let's open this first. Grandma got me these! And crayons and a book and some crayons and some silly putty
What else is in your big brown box?
and some tape and some paper decorative things and some magnets.
Okay, what about the big box? Is there anything else in there?
Yes.
Let's see.
I'm gonna take all the stuff out first. And some toothbrush things. And some toothpaste and some toothbrush.
Cool.
And who got me some toothbrushes with crayon signs. And a Lego thing. A big Lego thing. And one more thing. What's yours in you? And how do I take this out, Mom? Can you help me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my goodness, I think I know what that is.
Candies? Grandma.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Look at the camera, say thank you.
Thank you.